eager way to get you started. Let's dive in. 1. The X angle. Share your video with a catchy tweet. Use hashtag and tag relevant accounts. 2. Facebook. Share on your timeline or groups. Write a short description. 3. Reddit. Share in relevant subreddits. Engage with comments. 4. WhatsApp. Share with machine groups. Add a personal tag. 5. Instagram. Share a snippet. Use hashtags link in bio. The guidelines. Engage with your audience. Share behind the scenes content. Use platform specific features. Why share? You get more views.